If you like motorsports and want to learn more about the racetrack experience, check out driveonthetrack.com.
We're not going to do launch control, but we're going to launch it. That was fast and furious. It's like driving a go-kart. I've heard people say that before, but this is like a go-kart. You pick a line and you go there and it goes there. It's amazing. I've been driving a lot of powerful cars, sports cars, powerful cars, and I think this is the first time, other than a race car, I've felt in a street car. You don't really have to work with the car. You don't have to kind of like modulate stuff to make sure that it goes where it goes. You point the nose of this car somewhere, you pick a line, and it will go there. And when there's some traction loss, it mostly stays in line. How do I describe it? I'm a little lost for words. So when you get beyond the traction, it kind of just goes there, stay on a line, hang around, and then recover. And then you're right back there again. Like, just turn. Like, just turn. Wow. And then cut it tight. I want to be tight. So I'm tight. Wow. I don't even need to use the ship because I think this car is plenty of fast and drive around, so I don't have to worry about what gear I'm in. The programming is pretty good in choosing what gear to be in. It gives you plenty of power. The shifts are smooth. I'm lost for words at how good this car is. Wow, look at that. I kind of understeered a little bit, it just recovers. I could have used a shorter gear in between there, but see, the car responds just fine and the shifting doesn't upset the balance. But this is going to be my favorite part. Look how tight these turns are, and look how the car handles it. It just goes. Yeah, so I think the power might get you in trouble, but I don't think the cornering would. Wow, that was amazing.